Hey, coffee friends! Welcome back to another episode of Coffee Minutes, your cozy corner for coffee chats, smart living, and good vibes. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're brewing up some budget-friendly magic. Yep, we're diving into budgeting hacks for coffee lovers. If you've ever looked at your bank statement and realized you're basically sponsoring your local cafe, this one's for you. So grab your mug and let's sip smarter. All right, let's be real. Coffee can get expensive. One $5 latte a day adds up to about $150 a month, or over $1,800 a year. That's a round-trip flight to Europe. Or a pretty solid emergency fund. But don't worry, loving coffee doesn't mean going broke. You just need to get strategic. Let's start simple. First hack, know your cafe budget. Track what you actually spend on cafe coffee in a week. Is it $10, $30, $60? No judgment, just awareness. Once you know, set a monthly cafe budget. Maybe that's $40 a month, enough for 2 really nice cafe visits per week. Treat them like a reward, not a daily necessity. Next hack, invest in a budget-friendly home setup. You do not need a $600 espresso machine to make great coffee at home. Here are 3 affordable tools to consider. First, the French press. It's around $15 to $25 and gives you full-bodied, rich coffee. Second, the AeroPress, about $30, small and travel-friendly, and makes a clean espresso-style cup. Third, the Mocha Pot, a stovetop classic that creates strong, almost espresso-like coffee for under $40. Add a $20 milk frother, and boom, you've got a home cafe setup on a budget. Now, let's talk flavor. If you love cafe drinks for the creative recipes, DIYing them at home can be a fun and cost-saving habit. Try making a vanilla-iced latte brew strong coffee. Chill it, pour it over ice, add milk or oat milk and a drop of vanilla extract. Or how about a honey cinnamon cold brew? Mix in honey and a pinch of cinnamon. Want something chocolatey? Make a mocha latte with cocoa powder, a little sugar, and steamed milk. You can even make your own flavored syrups, just sugar, water, and your choice of vanilla, caramel, or lavender. It's easier than you think. Another smart tip is batch brewing. Make a big batch of drip coffee or cold brew at the start of the week, store it in the fridge, and pour as needed. It saves you time and keeps you from reaching for your phone to order delivery or make a coffee run. Here's a fun one. Alternate between cafe days and homebrew days, or plan a coffee date at your place with a friend. You still get the cozy social vibe, but your wallet will definitely thank you. Now, if you want to save even more and learn how to stretch your money in other parts of your life without giving up the things you enjoy, I've got something special for you. I've written a book all about personal finance and budgeting that's easy to follow and perfect for everyday folks like us. If you're watching this on YouTube, just scroll down and check out the description below. You'll find my recommended books, including the one that inspired this episode. These are practical tools to help you stay in control of your budget and still treat yourself to what you love, like a great cup of coffee. And now it's time for our fun coffee fact of the day. Did you know Dunkin' Donuts was once the first major coffee brand to offer delivery service? Yep, long before delivery apps took over, they were already delivering hot cups of coffee straight to your door. That's some serious coffee commitment. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today on Coffee Minutes. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with a fellow coffee lover. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can visit ko-fi.com/coffeeminutes to donate or become a member. It helps keep the content flowing just like your favorite cup of joe. Take care, stay caffeinated, and see you next time.